Welcome back to Python Pandas course. Hi, my name is Pooja Pokhriyal. In today's lecture, I am going to show you how to rename columns and index name. Let's begin. First, we are going to see how to rename columns name. For this, we have code segment. First, we need to import pandas. We are creating dictionary. And from previous lectures, it is clear how to create data frame from dictionary. We are using data frame function. We are printing value of df. And then using rename function, we are renaming columns name using columns parameter. And we write dictionary. As you know, dictionary contains key value pairs where key specifies the name of the column to be renamed and this value specifies the new name of the column. So we are going to rename name column with s underscore name and age column with s underscore age. And then next parameter is in place. We are writing in place equals to true. So we are going to change existing data frame. That's why we have written in place equals to true. By default, its value is false as we have discussed in previous lecture. Now we are printing value of df. After running this code, output will be, now you can see the difference. Earlier columns name are name, age, percentage, and now after renaming, columns name are s underscore name, s underscore age and percentage. So using columns parameter to rename function, we can rename columns name. Now let's rename index name. So only difference is this parameter. To rename index name, we pass parameter named index, and to this index we write dictionary. So here we are writing 0 colon first, 3 colon last. We are going to rename 0 index with first and 3 index with last. So according to your requirement, you can specify the new value or new name of the index. After running this code, output will be, so here again you can see the difference. Before rename, index values are 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are default index values. And after this rename function, index value 0 has been renamed with first and 3 index has been renamed with last. So using this index parameter, we can rename index name, right? Now let's test your understanding. Only difference in this code segment is we are using rename function and we are passing columns parameter and index parameter also. So we are going to rename name column with s name. We are going to rename 0 index with first and 3 index with last. So now you can guess the output. You can run this code segment in your system and check the output. Now let's rename all columns. To rename all columns, we use set underscore access function. So first parameter is list of values. So these values specify the new name of all columns. So here we are renaming columns name. So we need to write access equals to 1. So this 1 refers the columns, right? And then we are writing in place equals to true. So this statement will rename all columns with s name, sh and this percent. After running this code, output will be, so you can see the difference. Earlier columns name are name, age, percentage, and now s name, sh and percent. So using set underscore access function, we can rename all columns and we need to write access equals to 1. We can also write access equals to columns. So both 1 and columns refer the name of columns, right? Now you can guess the output of this code segment. So in this code segment, we have written access equals to columns. So this is similar to previous one. This will give you same output. Now let's rename all index. So to rename all index, again we are using set underscore axis function, but this time we are writing axis equals to 0. So 0 means we are referring index, or we can also write index, right? So this statement will rename all index name with A, B, C, D. After running this code, output will be, so earlier index values are 0, 1, 2, 3 and now values are A, B, C, D. So using axis equals to 0, we can rename all index. We can also write axis equals to index. Here you can see we have written axis equals to index. So this will give you same output. Now you can run this code segment in your system and you can check the output. Now that's all in today's lecture. In this lecture you have learned how to rename column and index name. Now we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.